Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to the recap. Today is the 17th, so let's get started. So just like any other day, let's go over the SPY market first and let's see how that did. As you can see, it was a bit choppy, but it seems like it was in a downtrend. So maybe it's starting to base out here and then may try breaking out towards the later on in the afternoon or something like that. But yeah, definitely some choppy movement. So let's check out the daily real quick to see how that's looking like. So whoops, let's go all the way on this side. So okay, yeah, so today was the right day. I was expecting the right day to finish around here. So pretty much this candle, I wanted to bring it down more down here. That's what I was kind of expecting, but it seems like it broke this resistance. So we may be going more up in the uptrend. So let's see. Okay, so let's go ahead and go over the trades for today. Well, the watch list first, right? So SCPS, that was too expensive for me, but I wasn't watching. But this stock did a crazy move. It's a recent IPO as well. So let me pull up the minute chart here. So this is SCPS. Look, it went all the way from 22 to 23 something and it got halted, then to 28 halted, then to 36 halted, then came back down, but it went as high as $47, which is crazy. So these stocks happen. They go crazy sometimes, but I try to stay away from stocks like this. I'm not in the business of doing home runs. I'm in the business of getting consistency and my stats in general. So, and the P&L will follow. But anyway, so I was watching today, SNCA TKAT. Man, this one, I missed it. I'll show you where. That would have made the day for sure. So I was looking for this stock around, let's see here. Whoops, no, I want the line. So I was watching this area right here, right? As soon as it came here, the next candle opened up a little bit higher. And my entry was 169, 170, but on the bids, I was seeing 172. I didn't take it just because now the current price is away from my entry by 2 cents. I could have got in, but then I felt like, I might be chasing it. So I decided to rep that muscle and not take the trade. So, and I'm happy I didn't because I got to practice FOMO, right? So obviously this went all the way up, all the way to 267 from 169. But it is what it is. You can't catch everything. This could have easily went up and got rejected, right? So I wanted to follow my plan and stick to my plan. So, and that's what I did. And it's okay, I missed it. There's always other opportunities and whatnot. So yeah, there were a couple other stocks I was watching, XSPA, NXTD, and whatnot, right? So NXTD went nuts. So if I pull that up real quick, this stock was kind of whippy, but definitely had some good moves. Yeah, wow, look, it went all the way from 130s to $2. That's insane. I would say the place to watch this would have been around like 133, definitely. So good moves for sure. I didn't have any trades on this, so I missed a lot of these moves. So, but today I was trading TKAT, CNSP, EXK, XSPA. XSPA, I think I only have one trade on it, which was pretty much break even. So TKAT, I had to move from, well, I guess I got broke even on that stock too. It was kind of whippy, so that's why when I got filled break even. But in most cases, I was gonna make a couple cents. So, but it's all good. But CNSP, that's where I got in 274, got out at 284. So, and then EXK had a cent on it. And then yeah, that's pretty much it. My only losing trade was EXK, which was losing a penny, I think. Yeah, but I'll show you CNSP. That will be a good learning lesson. CNSP, I was watching this area right here for the break of 274. So I got in and I sold on the way up. So, and it was kind of choppy and then got rejected from WeWeb a few times. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And then it faded for the rest of the day. So overall, today was an all right day. I only had maybe, a few round trip trades, couple scratch trades. So not bad. Today I'm up $128. So not bad. Hopefully this week actually, gives us good momentum and we can finish off green. So let's see how it goes. Hopefully you guys had a green day. And so make sure you guys like, subscribe, and comment. And I will see you guys tomorrow.